Hi everyone, it's Jean. I've been getting a few calls about from teachers about how to present your screen so that you can see your students while you're teaching. And so I just wanted to give you a couple of ideas, things that you can use to do that. So let's say you wanted to read a story to your students. Sometimes it's hard to like hold a book up so that you can see it in the screen. I have been using Epic. I don't know if you are familiar with that. I use that in the media with our students, and they love it, and I love it too for distance learning. So I just go into Epic and pick a story. Um, and now I want to show this to my students. So I am on a Google Meet right now with myself, just so you can see how this works. Now, if you have an extra monitor lying around, I highly recommend you hook that up to your laptop. You can hook it up with either an HDMI cable or a VGA cable, which is the one with the two prongs on the side. It's kind of a square plug. Um, it depends on what kind of monitor you have. But anyways, that is the best. So it's kind of like having your smart board. You can set it to extend screen so that I could literally just move my Meet tab over like this to another screen. And then you can see I would have my story on the other screen. Now, if you don't um, want to get another screen, which a lot of people don't, um, there's another option that could help you, is you can split your screen into two parts. So I like to use these two extensions right here. It's called Tab Scissors and Tab Glue. And what that does, if I click on Tab Scissors, you can see it split my screen into two. So now I have my book on one side and my Meet on the other. And it works pretty well for this kind of presentation. So I could present my screen. And so when you do that in Google Meet, you don't want to do your entire screen. You want to do a window so that you pick the window that has your story in it, and that's what you would share with your students. So what happens is, and you can't see this from here, but I asked my students, what are you seeing? And they said, well, we see the book and you. So I'm guessing they can see me up here, or I think I might be at the bottom, because when they are on my Meet and I'm presenting my screen, I can see all of them below this. So anyways, then you can just go ahead and read the book to them and turn your pages just like you were reading, a so-called real book. But they really enjoy that. So when you're done, then you click on the tab glue to glue your two tabs back together. Now, you don't have to download these extensions. You could do it manually. And so the way that you would do that is you would just, kind of click on the top part of your window there, and then you can resize. So I have my Epic here. So here's my Google Meet. I want to have that on the other. And now let's see if this will let me. Yeah, if you just click and drag on that tab, then it takes a little adjusting. You can, adjust it so that it fits in your screen, and then you could do it that way. And, make it the size that you want. And then to put it back together, if you don't have those extensions, you just click and then push it back in. And then to go back to full screen, click on that little square. Now, I'm going to stop presenting here. To get those extensions, Open up a new tab, click on apps. That's the easiest way to get to the web store. Um, Click on the web store, and then it's just called Tab Scissors. This is what it looks like. So you would just click Add to Chrome. And then the other one is called Tab Glue. And you would just click Add to Chrome. So the little scissors and the little glue top. So anyways, I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, just email me. All right, good luck.